Action chains is a way of storing actions in a queue and execute them in the order they are queued up. You can use action chains to automate interactions such as mouse movements, mouse button actions, key press, hover over, drag and drop, etc. Here are some of the actions that you can automate using action chains. You can automate move to element, which moves the mouse to the middle of the element. You can automate click, you can automate click and hold, you can automate double click, you can automate sending keys to an element, you can automate key down, key up, drag and drop, and you can automate release, which releases the mouse from the element. There are two ways to use action chains. You can chain the actions, or you can queue up the actions one by one. Next, let's see an example of using action chains. The next example will move focus to an element and click a submenu.